What's up, everybody? My name is Modeste, and I have Kern here with me, who would be helping me with the slow motion entrance. Woo! Yeah. So yeah.
What's up?
Normal. Normal. Yeah, so alright, we just gonna show you guys how to Webster. Hope you'll like it. Keep watching. Alright guys, so there's 3 basic ways you could do it. You could do it with the swing. There's the switch or the scissors. And there's also just walking into it or running into it. Alright, so step 1. Swinging your leg up like this. Notice how my opposite hand of the leg that I'm swinging went up also. So you're doing that. And you're swinging your leg back behind you as the knee of your jumping leg bends slightly. And as this leg reaches up as high as it could, you straighten the knee that you're jumping off of to jump. That's step 1. Step 2, you're doing the same thing, but now you're jumping onto your hands. Focus on actually getting that swing and getting the height. Alright guys, so I know that may be difficult for you guys who don't have handstands. But if you all want to learn a handstand, you could check the description. Step 3 is actually a front handspring. So step 3, you're doing the same thing. You're going onto your hands, you're pushing off, and you're landing. Good. If you're having trouble with this, I have a tutorial on front handsprings. So I'll put it in the description down below. So step 4, we're going to do a front handspring, but on one hand. So yeah, good. Alright, so you all notice that he uses this leg and this hand. You can also do it with the next hand. So step 4, you all can practice both hands. So you have more control and more awareness, more flipping awareness. Alright, so the 5th step, and this is the last step of the Webster. For step 5, forget about putting your hands on the ground. What your hands doing now, as you swing your leg and you bring your upper body, your head, everything close to your knee that you're jumping off of, as it slightly bends and it straightens to jump. Now you could either hold underneath the leg that you're jumping off of, or while you're in midair, hold your knees, or you could just leave it let it flow. Make sure that your landing is strong. So you need to be able to squat, because sometimes you, like at your first try, you would land low, but don't worry. Kern will do the holding technique. So you hold the leg that you're jumping off of behind, like this. And you can also tuck in front, like this. You can just let it flow, don't hold anything. You're using the momentum of the leg and you're jumping. Make sure you're pushing off your leg as hard as you could. Make sure you're getting this. So if you're having problems jumping, practice this jump. Just keep this. But as you know, the technique is really bringing down your chest and your head. But you're doing this just to strengthen your takeoff leg. Hey guys, this is my son. You want to do a tutorial? You want to do a tutorial too? You want to do a tutorial?
I can't. No,
Put them out of forward roll. Guys, This is Jalen. So yeah, the last method is just going with the flow. This was the Webster tutorial. I hope you guys get it. Good luck. My name is Justin Modeste. This is Kern Gopi, aka Jumpy. And yeah, this was the Webster tutorial. Peace. More tutorials coming soon, so y'all